Welcome! In front of me I have Nokia Activite Steel watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. To factory reset this watch, you will need to grab it and flip it around. And on the back of the watch, you will see that there is this button right here at the top. And what we need to do is to press this button 5 times. After each press, the watch will vibrate, and after the 5th time, you will feel that the watch vibrated twice, which means that the factory reset was complete. So, take some kind of pin. I'm gonna use this SIM eject tool, and I'm gonna press this button with the tool. You can use anything else, but I recommend something like this. And so, let's put the pin on the button, like this, and press it 5 times. So, once, second, third, fourth, and the 5th. And the watch vibrated twice, which means that the factory reset was complete. And now we can put it away, and that's how you factory reset this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.